Sending money to Europe has never been simpler with Google Pay International Service. This digital payment platform allows you to transfer funds securely and instantly, making it a reliable choice for personal and business transactions. Google Pay supports multiple currencies, ensuring your euros arrive at the right value without hidden conversion hassles. First, link your bank account or card to Google Pay. Once verified, you can select the recipient, enter the amount, and choose the currency. Transfers are processed instantly, with notifications confirming delivery. Compared to traditional banks, Google Pay significantly reduces waiting times and fees, offering a faster and more convenient solution. Here are 5 practical tips to enhance your Google Pay international transfers. First up, schedule recurring payments for regular transfers to Europe. This ensures your payments are always on time without any manual intervention. Next, use Google Pay with partner banks in Europe to avoid those pesky extra conversion fees and enjoy direct deposits. And don't forget to enable multi-factor authentication for additional security, keeping your international transactions well protected. You can actually leverage Google Pay rewards for international transactions and, convert those points into cashback or even reduced fees. It's a smart way to make your money go a bit further. Also, don't forget to use the in-app currency converter to check real-time exchange rates before you send money. That way, you can make sure you're getting the best value for your transfer. Additionally, pairing Google Pay with apps like Cash App can really help with instant international transfers, making cross-border payments super seamless. Cash App lets you fund Google Pay transactions instantly, which is pretty handy as a backup if direct transfers ever face delays. Understanding the nuances of fees, exchange rates, and transaction limits, well, it really ensures a smooth sending experience. Google Pay's intuitive interface and global reach make it an ideal tool for individuals, freelancers, and businesses who need reliable European transfers.